If you notice a small leak coming from your filter housing, please follow these steps. Isolate the water supply. Turn off the water going to your system to prevent any further leakage. To do this, turn the screw on the isolation valve from the open to the close position. Repeat this step for both the hot and cold water supplies. Put a small towel or sheet of kitchen roll under the filter housing to catch any drips. Remove the filter housing from the wall bracket. Do this by turning the housing a quarter turn to release it. Check for leftover plastic rings. Look inside the filter housing head. Make sure there are no plastic rings left behind from the previous filter. If you find any, remove them. Inspect the black O-ring. Check that the large black rubber O-ring is in place, undamaged and not crimped or twisted. Reattach the housing body to the head, making sure it's screwed on as tightly as possible. Reconnect the housing to the wall bracket. Push it upwards and turn to lock it securely back into place. Turn the water supply back on. Finally, check the housing carefully for any signs of leakage.